Periyar. Periyar E.V. Ramasamy, affectionately called by his followers as Thandai Periyar EVR. He was a businessman and social activist. Prophecies of Periyar like equality, women education, self-respect is a reality in Periyar Maniammai University. He strongly believed offering education to a man is education to him only, whereas offering education to women is education to the whole family. He succeeded in his belief by establishing more educational institutions. Dr. Veeramani. After Thandai Periyar and Annai Maniammayar, the successor Dr. Veeramani, or esteemed Chancellor, has taken up the great task of assuring young women into technical education and towards new era of scientific development by founding Periyar Maniammai College of Technology for Women on November 22, 1988. Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. N. Ramachandran of Periyar Maniammai University. SEP assists the students of different departments to learn the skills and to enhance their knowledge. Each subject carries 5% of internal marks allotted through the SEP. Periyar Research Organization for Biotechnic Ecosystem. It is under the maintenance of respected Sir Mr. Pandian, BSc Agri. Vermicomposting. Vermicompost is a simple biotechnological process of composting in which certain species of earthworms are used to enhance the process of waste, which are converted into a better fertilizer. Periyar Nursery. In our nursery, we have various kinds of plants, and especially we have varieties of medicinal plants. Some of them are Alpinia galanga, Acalypha indica, aloe vera, Cyanodon dactylon, etc. Piggery. Development and breeding of wild pigs are done. The wastages of foods and vegetables are given to the pigs, and after 6 months it grows up to 70 kg. The duration of pregnancy is 115 days and it gives 7 to 10 piglets. 200 kg of pork is sold. Solar heater. The solar water heater is used in both Nagarmyar and Vittoboy hostels. The water will be flowing in both north and south direction. The temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius. The cold water in the heater will have high weight, therefore it will be down. The hot water is less weight compared to the cold water, therefore it will be placed at the top. This solar heater is also maintained by the mechanical re-energy. Biomethanol plant. PMO Center for Climate Change biogas-based power generation plant. It is supported by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India. This plant is used to convert gas energy into electrical energy. Biomass gasification plant. Capacity of biomass gasification plant is 200 kilowatt. The fuel requirement for this plant is solid wood chips, and the usages are electrical application and power supply to college campus. The model of this gasifier is WBG 350M and the type is downdraft. The fuel type used in this gasifier are wood or woody waste, and the size is not exceeding 80 mm. The fuel storage capacity of this gasifier is 1000 kg. The model of the engine generator is GTA 1710G and its speed is 1500 rpm. The hourly consumption of this gasifier is 280 to 300 kg per hour. Specification would-be consumption is 1.2 to 1.8 kg per kilowatt. Gas flow is 875 nanometer. Paper recycling unit. The waste papers are sent to the paper recycling unit where they are passed through 6 recycling process. After the completion of these 6 processes, the papers are used in making CD covers, paper bags, paper files, etc. Alternative Building Material Research Unit. It is maintained by Department of Civil and Architecture. Bricks used in the construction leads to greenhouse effect. For making the brick, we need to burn the trees. To save the trees and to maintain the zero carbon in our university goes with A and B material. Types of these bricks are interlock, hollow block and fiber block. Material used in this hollow block bricks are chips, fly ash and cement. Wastewater management. In our university hostels, the wastewater from the bathing and toilet has been recycled. In Chakravarti hostel, the wastewater is directed to the canal and the canal side plants and trees has been planted. In Nagamaya and Victorbai hostel, the wastewater has been managed by the contour irrigation system. In this system, the soap water has the pH level of 8 to 9 and the water has directed through the canal by the level process. The water flow is slow so that the soap and the other material sewage goes to the second level. In second level, the night soil with wastewater and then pH level becomes 4 to 5 so that the pH level is neutralized and then water is saved in the plant. In between these levels, the bamboo has been planted and this irrigation system supplies the water to the bamboo tree also. The water is used for the agriculture and horticulture in our campus. And also the pond makes about 1 lakh rupees per annum by selling the fishes grown in the pond. Bamboo. In our university, we have bamboo trees without spines. The main purpose of growing bamboo is for taking up the carbon dioxide which we release. Each bunch of bamboo is rated as Rs 2000. Periyarpura enables villages with the connectivities of physical, electronic, knowledge and economic, marketing linkages, financial linkages, connectivity. It generates employment and income through the production, processing and marketing activities. Windmill. A windmill is a machine which converts the energy of wind into rotational energy by means of vanes called sails or blades. Originally, windmills were developed for milling grain for food production. In the course of history, the windmill was adapted to many other industrial uses. Herbarium. Periyar Herbarium was opened on December 20, 2003 by our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Department of Biotechnology of our university and the students of Periyar College of Pharmaceutical Science for Girls were combined together in the formation of Periyar Herbarium. Incubator. The eggs of the poultry birds are kept in the incubator and the thermometer is set to detect the temperature. There is a bulb which increases and decreases automatically depending on the temperature. The incubator can have a maximum of 15 eggs. It takes 21 days for the eggs to hatch. Arjan Singh Library. The University Arjan Singh Library is termed as Knowledge Center. Library working hours Monday to Saturday, in circulation 9 am to 5:30 pm. In Sunday and university holidays 9 am to 3 pm. There are many sections are in our library such as acquisition and technical section, circulation section, stack section, book bank and back volume, thesis section, digital library, reference section, periodical section and e-journals. Periyar TBI also serves as moral and partner institution to some of the central government agencies. It is a partner institution with National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises of the Ministry of MSME. Hospital. Dr. Pushpa MBBS Medical Officer, Dr. AP Govindarajan MBBS Additional Medical Officer, 3 nursing assistant, 2 cleaning assistant and a lab technician are working in this hospital. This hospital also serves for the public. Security system. There are 3 supervisors and 15 securities working on the security system. Some of the registers maintained by them are Visitors Register, Material In and Material Out Register, Register of Vehicle, Register of the Latecomers and Register of both Boys and Girls Hostel. Totally 26 registers are maintained in the entrance. Periyar Dairy Farm. Research on influence of feed form and lightning on growth and meat yields of poultry birds. It consists of varieties of turkey, guinea fowl and goose. It is maintained by the Department of Biotechnology. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a popular technology that allows an electronic device to encharge data wirelessly over a computer network including high-speed internet connection.